Hello, this is Kyn of East Meets West. Welcome to our channel.
We are now in the subway in Gama.
Nee, twee steekhoofdmelks. Dus 30 cent.
We are now in Gama.
Oh, die bent het vol.
Hi guys! Nakiki-guys! Anyways, the highlight of today is first, dumating yung delivery namin from Praxis. So, sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. I was really tired helping yung mga schuttingen o yung mga wood planks sa aming roof terrace or deck terrace. But, I'm proud of myself, but I'm more proud of Lola Ellie. She came out of nowhere. Yun yung burvrow or kapitbahay namin sa baba. And she helped us. She helped us from beginning to end. And also, pagdating naman sa sobrang bigat noon, sobrang laki, if you saw our Facebook. And then, after noon, pagdating sa third floor ng bahay namin, kasi we live in the third and fourth floor, is hindi na namin alam how we will bring it in the fourth floor. Het was echt onmogelijk. But, we made it. And on the third floor to fourth floor, dumating din naman, came to the rescue si Ron, our boorman. He lives in the fourth floor. Also third and fourth floor, and he also helped Jeroen and gave also advices. So thank you. Sa Dutch pala meron ding bayanihan. And then second is subway. So sa sobrang gutom ko, hindi na kami nakapag-peg in our car. So we went to subway. Finally, there's subway in Gama, in Leichenveen. So, yun siya. Okay siya, tsaka mura din. Around 550 to 8 euro. Yun. May food, drinks, and chips na yon. And then, of course, we went to Gama. Walang katapusang never-ending dakteras. So, yun. So, Jeroen again went to Gama this time. So, parang napuntahan na namin lahat. Praxis, Gama. I think tomorrow, Hornbach. So, because opening niya ngayon, na-miss namin. So, tomorrow na lang. So, while he was checking on Gama, syempre ako, kikay girl. So, I'm checking some of the decoratsies and I love pillows. So, these are the ones na I found in KWANTUM. If you like our channel, give it a thumbs up and or subscribe. Thank you for watching!